felt that way. Guess you're trying to
I grew up
stay
in a
strong
place
and
where they
fake
told you what
a
to chase,
smile
told you how to
until
run the
I
race.
look
Every move
away.
was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I keep my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Hard about what you wanna be. Step forward. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you control, and the steps you take them. Not try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it reputation. Wake up, I don't really think anyone's gonna say me. And honestly, I'm not really sure I want to say today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. There's no today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, just keep today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, be a better me. I don't think that my head's all straight. Wake up, flip it and grip it, think I'm gonna get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel away. Pushing on my chest and it's squeezing, I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. Pretty cool that I'm alive and that's better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Other times I'm barely breathing though. You always gotta night and night, find opinions, yeah. All I want, negative thoughts and poison me right. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop, I'm not like this rock. All I want, feel the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off dead.
If all of the kings had their queens on the throne, we would pop champagne and raise our toast to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own. You live without me, you won't love, but you can. It's funny, but honey, I'm the show on your own.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did? Baby,
I'll show you how
I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this is amusing. Sitting there gaslighting, confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry in conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck like you did. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down